back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious hibiscus atole. It comes out so delicious that I know that you guys are going to love it. Perfect for this cold weather and perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have cornstarch here, 1 condensed milk, hibiscus flower, 1 cinnamon stick, and water. This is everything we need for this delicious hibiscus atole. Perfect for this cold weather. So let's get started. I want to start here first with my cinnamon. I'm going to add just a little pieces of cinnamon, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water. The reason that I like to do this step first is so that the cinnamon release all the delicious flavor into the water. So now let's take it to the stove. Let's cover it and let's cook it in low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. I have here the cornstarch, and I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of very cold water, and I am going to just mix it and make sure that there are no lumps. We want to go ahead and just mix it very well until it looks like milk, just like this. Once everything is nice and incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and just put it aside. I am going to continue with my hibiscus flower. Let me show you. This is how the hibiscus flower looks when it's dry. But a lot of people like to put it in to boil with water. But the best thing is, to tell you the truth, leave it soaking overnight. You're going to rinse it once, and then you're going to just let it soak overnight so that the hibiscus flower releases all the delicious flavor and the color. And then you're going to put it through a sifter, making sure that you get all the delicious flavor of the hibiscus. Once you have done this, then I'm just gonna reserve the flour. I want to show it to you that it's nice and hydrated. Look at this. I'm going to reserve it for the presentation. And here, look at this. The water is really nice and infused with the hibiscus flavor and the color. And now I have my condensed milk here. I'm going to go ahead and add the whole can of condensed milk. You want to make sure that you add the condensed milk because this is going to give it a delicious flavor. Of course, if you want less condensed milk, that's optional. I'm adding 1 whole condensed milk because to this, I'm not going to add any sugar at all. The condensed milk really gives it a delicious flavor. I'm going to add some more water. The total amount of liquid is 1 liter of water. Look at this. It tastes amazing. Now let's go see how the cinnamon is doing. You could really smell the cinnamon, and now it's time to remove the little bit cinnamon sticks from the water. We don't need the cinnamon anymore because the water has been infused completely with the cinnamon. I'm going to go ahead and just remove it. And now I am going to add the mixture of the hibiscus. You want to cook this in low, medium heat temperature. And you're going to be whisking. And once you know something, at this moment, you're just going to make sure that you mix it, that you incorporate it, just like this. I want to show you how it looks from close up. Look at this. Look at the color. The color is like a burgundy. The smell, you could really smell the hibiscus. But this just looks amazing. And now I'm going to mix a little bit the cornstarch, and I'm going to add it. My mouth is already watering because this smells delicious. I'm going to go ahead and start adding the cornstarch
just like this. And at this moment, do not leave your pan. You want to make sure that you are mixing everything so it doesn't start sticking to the bottom or to the sides of your pan. You're going to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. The taste is perfect. It's optional if you want it a little more sweeter, but to my tasting, this is fine. Look at this. It's already boiling in medium-low heat, and it's getting nice and thick. Look at this. Look how delicious. This is a very traditional atole that we make in Michoacan, Mexico. We love making this atole for the holidays. That's why I wanted to share with you this hibiscus atole so that you could try it, and if you like and love it, make it for your family. I have my cup here. Let me show it to you. And now I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to taste it. So I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this delicious hibiscus atole. It looks nice and creamy, and of course you could combine it with a delicious virote or a sweet tamal. You know something? This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this hibiscus atole came out. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. You know something? It's really nice and creamy, and the hibiscus taste is just fabulous, amazing. This just came out perfect. Perfect for this cold weather, perfect for the holidays when your family's coming over and you want to surprise them with something delicious and something that maybe they have not tasted. Why not make a hibiscus atole at home and enjoy it with your family? If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious hibiscus atole. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.